finally building the habitat. We started cutting some pieces up here. We're gonna reinforce in between here. Spring mounts right here and up front. Water tank, we're thinking put it in the middle here. Let's get going, start welding, tacking everything up. Make it all finally come together. Chunks out of this poly. It's kind of like 1/2 inch. Cutting little pieces out of it to go in between here. We kind of scrapped putting the idea of like a rubber, it's like kind of like conveyor belt material in between here. It's just, I feel like it's gonna fall out at some point. And so we're just doing this. We have an 8-inch wide piece in here with poly in between. Then we got the lower mount, and the springs are gonna go this way. We're probably gonna have to do 2 springs up front. And then we still have to weld in the little triangles and a guide so this doesn't move back and forth, the whole chassis, more or less. More or less learning as we go here. I'm no expert in building expedition trucks. This is my first one. Just want to kind of go through my steps. That's why it's kind of taking longer. And it's kind of hard to make videos that are long enough because I'm doing something that I'm fixing it because it's not quite the way I want it, or it's not going to work as well as I want it to. So it's like a whole learning curve here. I think I overkilled the deck. It is built with 2x2 square tube, 3/16. I reinforced it with another piece right here, so it'll be pretty strong. It doesn't flex much sitting on the chassis right now. It is a little heavier, but with these trucks, I mean, I took the flat deck off this thing and it was like 2,500 pounds for the deck that came on the truck, not counting the tire lift and the hydraulic system that I just removed and a bunch of other stuff that I don't really need. I kind of want to keep it as light as possible, but with steel, yeah, you're going to gain some weight, but you're also saving a lot of money. And in this case, I don't think it really matters. Plus or minus 200-300 pounds. It's a big truck that doesn't really feel weight as much as, say, a pickup would. So if you guys are liking the content, please subscribe and like, comment. If you got any tips for us to improve the content, or any tips on building this truck, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in.